guys, today we have a PLOUISE mystery box, which I'm so excited about. I'm a little bit upset though because I really wanted to keep this a mystery, but I got two parcels from her. One was a mystery box and something was just and the other one was something else that I ordered, and the first one that I opened up was the mystery box, so I quickly shut it, but I think I do have a fair idea of what's inside. Also, she did release like sneak peeks on her Instagram, so I've got a pretty fair idea of what's inside as well, but nonetheless I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun. So let's get into it. So I paid $58 Australian for this, but I'm not sure how much they are in like, what do they use, euros or pounds? I'm not too sure, but it says on the website that you're meant to get over 60 euros or pounds worth of product. I don't know which one is the right term, but anyway, let's get into it. So the PLOUISE boxes come in this beautiful packaging, which is absolutely stunning, and yeah, I just think they do, it's just an experience. So the first thing that we have in here is the Unlock Your Creativity palette, which I'm super excited about this because I already have this palette, which means that I get to give it away to one of you guys. I just want to double check that this is the one that I have, because I know that there are two different ones that look the same. So, and if I gave away one that I didn't have, I'd be very upset. Let's just have a look. Yes, this is the one I have. So it looks like this. I have been using this like every single day to do my PLOUISE series at the moment. So we have like the purples and pinks and yellows on one side, and then we have like the greens and the blues. So yeah, I'm really excited that one of you guys is gonna get to try that out, which is so exciting. So yeah, that should be coming up in a giveaway very soon. So that was the first thing in this box. Next we have a Shine Away 2020. This is the Badass Babes Crew. It's a shimmer body wash. Okay, so it looks like this. Super cute. Let's open it, see if it smells. There is so many things that I want to buy from PLOUISE. I added everything that I wanted into my cart the other day. It came to like $1,300 or something like that. So I'm gonna have to save up a bit of my money before I buy everything that I want. But anyway. Oh, okay. That smells really good. I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't really say anywhere like what it's meant to smell like, but oh, yum. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like perfumey smelling, kind of. The next thing that we have in here is a Bad Bitch Energy Juice in Once Upon a Time. So this has a lip conditioner and a lip oil in it. And it says Citrus Got Real. So how do I know what scent it is? I'm sure it'll tell me inside. Let's open this up. It's got like limes on the side, so I'm guessing it's some kind of a lime scented thing. So this is how the little box looks, which honestly is probably the cutest thing that I've ever seen. Like, oh, I just adore it. So sweet. And then this is how it looks inside. So we have a lip conditioner and a lip oil. And it says Once Upon a Lime. So yeah, I'm guessing we've got lime fragrance. So first we have the lip conditioner, which looks like this, and it has a little keychain on it, which is so cute. What does it smell like? Yep, that's definitely lime. I actually love lime so much, so yeah, that is so cute. And then the next thing that we have is the lip oil in Citrus Got Real, which I'm guessing is also like a lime scent, maybe. Oh, it's green. That's so cool. So yeah, it looks like this. The packaging is unmatched. Like, PLOUISE packaging is just immaculate. Oh, that smells so good. Yum. I wonder if it's actually like green on this. Yeah, it kind of has a green tint to it. It's crazy. But yeah, smells absolutely incredible. I'm so excited. So yeah, we got that. And then the last thing we have in here is a Fall in Line double-ended liner. In Plum Pudding and Sweet to Eat. So we have like a purple and a pink. This will come in handy for my creative looks that I'm doing at the moment. So yeah, you can see there the shades. and I'll give them a little swatch. Oh, that brush is immaculate. Like, it's the thinnest brush ever. I can already tell that that's going to be such a good liner. Okay, cute. They look awesome. So there they are there. The pink and the purple. Super cute. They look super vibrant and like super pigmented, so that's awesome. So yeah, that was everything that we got in the mystery box, which I am quite happy with. Let's search up and get some prices. This is all going to be in Australian. So the Unlock Your Creativity palette, it retails for $116, but it's on sale at the moment for $70. So let's just go like retail price, I guess. Then we have the little Bad Bitch Energy. They retail for $43. Mind you, I really want to get every single flavour they have. Is that like really impulsive? Probably. Then we have the Fall in Line liner. So the double-ended liners are $22. And then we have the Shine Away 2022, which is $16. So we have $197 value in here, and I paid $58 for it. So that is like almost, I think it's at least 3 times, but it's very close to being 4 times what I paid, which is absolutely incredible. I love PLOUISE so much. I think PLOUISE is amazing. Like, I am a PLOUISE stan through and through. But yeah, anyway, that was everything that came in the mystery box. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really, really impressed. I highly recommend. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!